We have weathered the recession, I suppose, quite well in terms of our sales. We've actually grown nearly month on month, bar some dips, seasonal dips. But I think that's because what we've tried to do is we've taken a product that's very fresh and healthy, and we've tried to make it like an affordable luxury. I mean, I've had a lot of positive experiences once I tapped into the resources available, which I didn't from the outset. From the beginning, I was doing a lot myself, but once I did, there was great support from the enterprise boards. There are the bodies such as Enterprise Ireland, the Food Safety Authority, Board BIA. And also, I suppose one concern for me is that we're in between small and medium. We're not the newbie anymore, but we're not very large. We're over the employee quota for the enterprise boards, but we're not exporting products. So technically we're in no man's land. If I were to look for funding right now, I can't approach the Enterprise Board or Enterprise Ireland because I'm not really meeting either of their criteria. So maybe there's a need for the people who are now in my situation.